What's up, Scotlanders, Mr. Nation, Ultimate Players? Welcome to the NA4 Podcast Players Edition. Recommended you live at the Block Electronics on the stations. If you want to use this podcasting studios, you can visit our website at electronic.co.za. Today in the studios, no Paens, no Tipas, no Manzmade, no Tabos, no Lunke, Sipine Subenayo Asukolise, Umfana Mgoli, usuka ngapha kwakhulile eDebenek, siphinde sibe naye uDumalakhe, umfana wangapha eKwabhaca, siphinde sibe naye noKhanya, umama wangapha eBenoni. You from Benoni? How are you?
Ngiyaphila unjani? Introduction yakho ukangwe uthi ugogo.
Ugogo Nomakhosi. Gogo Nomakhosi. All the way from Benoni.
Yoy, Makhosi.
Okay. Thokoza.
Our practice, after practice makes perfect.
Oh, hey, siqhubo KFC. Good. Ngabira funa njani?
Ya ndisharp but.
Uzicebile?
Muncu.
Sinamuncu.
Awuthamuncu. Phike uthena ngathi khanga uthethe ngaye.
Abo uDumalakhe. Okwabhaca.
Dumalakhe. Yiyo lelo yakhandi kuve.
Uthina no Tishara Dumalakhe. Duma kabulisa baphulaphula.
Say Mr Nazo, manibulisa baphulaphula better na4 na ku scheme sonke ngale mina namhlanje. Happy Women's Month. Yeah.
Mkhulu, ngale Women's Month uziva njani?
Ndiziva ndimbo. Ndigrand. Ndimbo.
Kodwa
ndigrand.
Oh.
Uthi kodwa inona?
Mbokodo kaloku.
Ndimbo as in ndimbo ndigrand. Ndimandi. Ndimojo.
So my sister, uziva right now?
Ngiziva right.
How's your trip to East London?
So nice niniphethe kahle shem. Ngoba nifuna undithengisa umnqambulo.
Hayi bo right umnqambulo. Akho right?
Akona ngxaki but mina ndimthanda. Kodwa ke ndiya.
Zange umuntu nje.
Hayi kaloku asithethileyo bazange ndamtya. Thethi into yoba niniphethe kahle.
Asitya nona ntsike.
Sokawana ya. Asijizile Nkosi. Ayisuka.
Okay. As a questions utastep aqala
Ziphi kwephi phone kana? Ngathi zilapha kule ino live. Eziphi ezizakhe?
Ezibe sibetheze sizifunde ku players.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ziku bendikuthumelele mos nawe utheni ngajonga.
Kalo phone yami live.
Oh.
Kodwa ke before
iphi phone yakho wena sisi ezibunithumelele zona. Kamniki.
Before siphume ke kula live oqala. Siyasafumana shocking news.
No, it's a shocking news.
Kaloku bese shocking. Utheni unganiprefer kanje?
Ino. Like kahle. Abantu xa sijongile bayothuka into ba usister ngogogo bamazi ebingumuntu ebekhonza okhonza kakhulu ecaweni. So ayizo shocking news ezo. If ubumlandela kwi socials zakhe ubuza uyazi ba kudala echaza lento ba hayi no and nangoku akamlahlanga uThixo uhamba na hand in hand maningakuthetheleli mana ngathi uyipipi.
I think ndiyayithanda indlela uSthiba ayichaze ngakhona.
Yeah.
Zombiza ngezideketizi.
Ngiyayithanda wena ke. Ndiyayithanda indlela ayichaze ngayo because kahle ubeke ngendlela enencubeko kakhulu.
Sure.
Ngoba indeed I come from a very 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 deep Christian background. But I had said in my conversations with you guys that I do not want to repeat myself in every platform lapho ngibizwa khona. Ngikhuluma into enye. But indeed I do come from a background in this. Especially here in East London, I'm known a lot. Cool. Exercising my gift of ukushumayela and pastoring kahle kahle yaqala khona la. Ngiyaziwa angeke ngize ngene enzulu ukuthi ngendlela ezenjani, but ukuthwasa okanye amadlozi kunye noNkulunkulu, there is a journey that I was about to embark on that they saved me from. Ukuthwasa liberated me from embarking on that journey. Ukuthwasa kwandivula amehlo, that not all of us that say uThixo nguThixo sitha nguThixo. So I am going to say that abantu who go to churches, especially in these prophetic churches, can they please be mindful of what is being said to them? Ayinguye wonke umuntu ovuthayo okanye ayinguye wonke umuntu ophakamisa izandla athi uNkosi uYesu inkosi usube uYesu inkosi manyana. So I want us to be very much vigilant when it comes to those things, because sometimes abantu bazimela ngegama likaThixo, or they put the umbrella of a church, yet they have hidden agendas. So yes, I'm known because I am a very well-known preacher, and it was difficult for me to accept the calling, because in the traditional healing space, there are certain adjustments that I had to make, and from coming from a place of liberating impilo zabantwana base Walter Sisulu University and the whole South Africa is like South Africa jikelele. It was not easy for me to now say to them, okay, I am no longer just only a person who believes in God, but I'm also a healer. There's an addition. I remember my very first post, a poster on my socials on Facebook. At that time, I was not on TikTok. Ifaki ithombe zami beqeda ukungibopha amalungu omzimba. Ya trenda leya posti. Look, comments, they were over 10K comments kuphela. People were shocked because it was a shock to everyone. That is why even on your socials today, everybody's like, ha, Ukanya. Abantu bazi Ukanya the preacher. Abantu bazi Ukanya the girl with, always wearing high heels, always looking good, helping people. But I can't do it's just only within the parameters of being umzalwane. Umzalwane who does not practice izinto zakwantu. So now it comes as a shock, of course, because they never expected that me of all people.
So ubukhonza kwezicawe zosindiswa.
Enkonza kucawe zosindiswa.
Oh ngala ubuzezi girls ezivasa inyawo abafundisi.
Hayi andikaze ndavasa. Undisi inyawo.
Kaloku
Boss?
No, zangi.
What film?
Azangi.
No. In a song, as a girls is a tomoy.
Yeah.
As a girls is up front bar. Saint John, the minute ukwazi ba ube ngumuntu okwazi uyoshumayela. Isinika la nto ba oh hayi. There's a girls ezikamfundisi ezibezivasa inyawo papa.
Not at all. No, not at all. I think, before I even came to East London, mina ndandikhonze Full Gospel Church of God eMthatha apho ngasindiswa khona at the age of 12. That's when I started preaching under Pastor Trawa no Pastoress Trawa. So the time ngingena kulezi cawe lezi ngiloko ngikhula moving from one place to the other. That's when gift yami kahle kahle, I'll say this about me. Even if I can be seated at the back, kube kukhona a crowd of people ngihlale emuva. Angazi nokuthi ngizothi sisibane or luqobo or umoya or isithunywa. You can be able to see me and notice me from right at the back and see that there is a person or call, because in some instances I try to hide myself but still so whenever I'd be, let's say for instance I'm part of a youth program and then they give me an opportunity to speak on behalf of the youth, ngakhuluma kanye abantu ngeke basaphila bafuna ukuba ndingasabikho kwi-programs zabo. So I think gift yami nendlela is exposed. No matter how much I can say I'm hiding myself, I can be in a place that has 1 million people, but there's someone that is going to identify me right from the back and say, hey, wena, I don't know ukuthi into ebuya kuphi, but that's just how I am. So it's not like I was always, khokhozela ring after befundisi, no. Ngingumuntu oyithandayo kakhulu. Ngiyaziqhenya. And andithandi noba I don't even want to appear as if ndingumuntu ocengayo. Yebo, nasi ndine pride yami nje, but efundile right, not eyobukhwada, yebo.
So what figure identify your app?
I was identified, yes.
What identify ba?
From the management of the church, abaphezulu, because I would be involved in youth programs, like logo and motivator and this teen, and then they were like, no, actually we want you to be in the leadership of the church. So no matter how much I can try to hide my skills, lanto yoba lo muntu lona inkokheli ayikwazi ufihleka, yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kamala Gonzalo.
Yo, I've been to so many churches. Ngiqale a New Apostolic Church, a Full Gospel Church. From Full Gospel Church, a Spirit Life Church. From Spirit Life Church, I went to Wet Sanctuary Bible Church, and then there's another one that I went to in Cape Town. But I cannot really specify Uti, Woman of Altars. It was a different. It was a setup of different churches gathering in one place. So it's not easy for me to say Itawenje. But the very last church whereby ngangi affiliated kuyo, ngumkhonzi wakhona. Ngikhupha nesishumi sami khona, yonke into ngiyenzela khona. Ibe Wet Sanctuary Bible Church la eMdantsane kwa1 under uApostle Viti. When I was still a student at university. So ingulo yabo gogo nabokhokho ingithole ngilapho.
Yeah.
Nithina pho.
Your experiences onazo kwi journey yakho yokusindiswa.
My what?
Experiences.
Nazo kujenius in this.
Good or bad?
Look, I can only say good things about Genia means in this. Because I was preaching the undiluted word of God kuphela. Ngiloko ngisaziwa, ngiloko ngibizwe endaweni, liberating lives, being involved kwinto ze youth, yonke lonto le. There's only good things to tell. But obviously you know that each and every journey has its own challenges. But I did not experience much challenges. Ngike ndathi wena ne mangikhuluma kwenye I podcast ngathi abazalwane bakhohlakele. Ngohlobo lokuthi vele as people akukho mnandi when you see someone else progressing more than you. I don't know why. Bakhohlakela. Mara ngathi yabona ebungomeni. Hayi madoda. Zangoma izinenhliziyo ezimbi.
West?
Kunabazalwane?
Abazalwane abenza nix.
Ukhona umnye utata wathi.
Zangoma. Hayi madoda ngeke.
Igqirha negqwirha. Nangu mahluko. Njengomuntu othweleyo nomuntu othwasileyo. Like lamagama nje ngebesondelelene ethetha ba abakho
good from each other. No, I totally agree on that one. Look, I tell you the truth. Ngibonile ezangomeni mina bangifikisile. Kunento ekuthiwa ukufikisa. Mawuqeda ukuthwasa, that's when they try to test your power ukuthi unawo amandla or not. And everybody goes through that stage. Khona umntana amedlozi manje oqeda ukungitshela baba nithe maniqeda ukungibeka ekhaya. Ngaqala ngava izinto ezigijimayo phezulu kwejared lami, phezulu kweroof yami, ndingayazi bakwenzeka ntoni. Menisoyika ngicela umntana nami bangicela ngikhaphe because all of a sudden I'm afraid of my yard. Ndazibona ndigula, angena appetite ngehli weight, izinto ekungamelekanga ukuthi kahle mawuqeda uthatha umsebenzi wakho khona bogogo ziyenzeka, but zenzeka. Dathi kuye ungaworry uyafikiswa. Umuntu yafikiswe ebungomeni. Mna after ngithwasile after my three ancestral children bokulobola abathathu bangihlalisa phansi. No ngeke uzi understand the terms zasempandeni. Ukulobola abantwana bakho abathathu otrainwa ngabo ngugobela ukuthi nawe uzokwazi ukuthi uzithwasisele.
Abantwana bamanyano kanye
abantwana bedlozi. Abantwana, it's even people that are older than me. Abantwana bethonga, ancestral kids.
Obaphilisayo.
Enbathwasisayo mina. Do you understand? So the first 3 ile otrainwa ngayo. Kushuthi imfanelo zabo, imali zabo yonke into ziyakugobela. You are being trained wena ukuthi wena mele abalandelayo batraine kanjani. So ngithi during that time abantwana ababokuqala bathathu. After that, I think babenibona ukuthi chini lo muntu une potential yokuzala edlozini, and therefore it is imfikisi. For 3 weeks I was bedridden. I didn't pee. Ngakaki. Angakhulumi, angashukumi.
3 weeks.
3 weeks full.
You know ofike toilet wabethe day 4.
But uphila njani uphi that time?
Ngikhona ingqondo ikhona, but my body is out. I don't know what was happening.
21 days?
No, not 21 days.
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Oh yeah, 3 weeks vele. Ngahlala. The only person that liberated impilo yami omunye ugogo waseSwatini. Hence they say inyanga ayizilaphi. Ifana nogqirha. Ngeke ungugqirha uzikhuphe icyst kwi-ovaries zakho uzi-operate ukuthi wena uyazilapha, it's impossible. Negqirha xa likhona kakhona ingxaki enalo iyahamba iyoconsulta komunye umuntu. ungakwazi ukukhonjiswa ngamathongo wakho through dreams and visions ukuthi this is what is going to happen empilweni yakho kanye mele wenze kanje nakanje, but in terms of healing yourself you can't. Yes, you can prevent things from happening, but you can never heal yourself. So ngasizwa lo mama kokongwenya waseSwatini njalo wayengilapha ngayo yo angikwazi nokuthi ngayikhuluma. So umuntu nomuntu kahlahle makefika ebungomeni angifuna ukutshela manje uyafikiswa, because they are trying to see ukuthi lento bowuthi uyoyilanda okukulapha okukunyanga bowuthi uyokulanda ingaba bukhona nyani na. Are you going to be able to stand the test of time? Are you going to be able to withstand the challenges that come with being a healer? And being a healer, I think now I'm transitioning to the challenges that I'm facing as a young healer. Being a healer comes with so many categories. Umuntu xa ebona inyanga ubona umthakathi. Njengoba eqeda ukutsho uneyi ukuthi these things, because they have the same sound gqirha, they most of the time seem as if zenza into enye. Hey, siyathuka sizinyanga. Mawuyinyanga uqediwe ngawo ukuthi ungumthakathi. Estratweni sakho kwabhubha umuntu nguwe. Wakhona umuntu owanemoto ayilanyanga ehlala pha kulandawo. So being a healer has a good and a bad side. There are so many interpretations about us as inyanga. Another thing that makes us to be misinterpreted as inyanga siyaxoka kakhulu. Umuntu akazuba open enough to say to you into ethila ndiyenze. Can I please refer you to someone else who's going to be able to do this? So sifuna ukuthi yonke into siyenze ngokwethu. Yelo xesha siyayazi into bana siphiwanga. Umzekelo nakwinsebenzo zabantwana nje babe ngitshila ukuthi umntana ohlutsha mhlambi isisu esihambisayo okanye ozovela amazinyo nani ngiyamlapha. Mara there are deep intense things that I personally anginali idlozi lokulapha lezi zinto lezo. I need to be open and say no. Ukhona omunye umuntu that specializes in kids and therefore I can refer you to this person. Uyayibona? So there are challenges in both worlds. Nasebuzalaneni there were so many challenges. Mina another thing nje ubuza ukuthi ebuzalaneni what was my challenge? People abantu they felt like I Lord this one is stupid. Emhle kangaka emile kahle so wayengumzalwane. Intanga zakhe ziyagroove, intanga zakhe ziyasela, intanga zakhe bayenza izinto nani.
Uyathetha. Chomi uyathetha. Mamela Chomi xesha asinalo.
Okay ni mamela.
Bayixesha njani?
Questions ezocamako singene ngoku uphila ubuyela kulana ubuyithetha nocamako nobala yonke lana yobugqirha sikose bugqirheni ngoku ubugqirheni
sisecaweni
siphi
silapha. People often say ungathethi ngamalungiselelo wakho ungekalungelwa. What does this saying truly mean from a spiritual perspective? Why is it sometimes wise to protect your plans until the right time?
I love your question because one, when you speak about your plans, you are giving people the platform to abort your plans. But when you keep quiet about your plans, abantu babone sele kusenzeka. Nobody knows what you are planning. Nobody knows what you are up to. Nobody knows what you are trying to achieve. So the minute you speak about your plans before them coming into manifestation, you are opening a room for monitoring spirits to check. For instance, if I know when you have intentions of buying a Haval and you are saying to me, I must give you 3 months, you're going to buy that Haval. I'm going to constantly monitor you indeed uyithengile na. Because amehlo ami akafuna ukubona uphumelela, ngifuna ukujonga ukuthi lento ikhuluma izoyenza na. And ingqondo ithakatha kakhulu because mangicabanga ukuthi lona kana potential ihave ucaba ukuthi ubani kuyavala, it means that already mina sengiconclude impilo yakho. So when you announce your plans to the public, you are aborting the potential of those things coming into manifestation. So the best thing is to keep quiet. We can never even say share it with the people that you trust. These days we don't know who to trust. Because there's very same people that we trust are the people that are oftentimes said to be the ones that are betraying us. So, yeah, don't speak about your plans. And I'm not only speaking to women. I understand that it's a Women's Month. I'm speaking to everyone that is under the sound of my voice. Flee away from talking about your plans. Because sometimes nobody knows what you're up to. And nobody has got any power ukuthi afika zo demolish icebo likaNkulunkulu because you are quiet.
Amen.
And okay, if nithini na bras ndizofunda nyikhwekhwekho.
I know sisahluthi.
Ucane ucwete kwathi.
Ehleli.
The Bible speaks about the Proverbs 31 woman. What is your understanding of this scripture, and what qualities should modern women and men learn from her example?
Okay.
Uyibuza kwakuyi okanye uyibuza komnye umuntu.
Kaloku nguye wena sikuleyo then ke ngoku nani ke brasini
Awusingena emva kwakhe.
ndingenise ndizama unisonda because kulena yobungoma ingathi andikwazi umamela umculo ngokaninangusingoma.
Look, when the Bible speaks of a Proverbs 31 woman, ifuna ukuyisama up kakuhle because you guys spoke about the issue of time. A Proverbs 31 woman is a woman with a vision. It's a woman who has a direction of where she's going. It's a woman who has plans. It's a woman who has strategies. It's a woman who does right. It's a righteous person. When you speak of umdo righteous, ilungisa does not suggest that a person is perfect, but it suggests that someone is trying. So, if Proverbs 31 woman is a vision, is a woman of a vision, and a woman that is trying to ensure that he or she gets to the steps, or she gets to the goal.
A Proverbs 31 woman is a builder. Is a woman that builds.
Yes.
Is a woman that has strength.
An incubator, which is what we spoke about.
Yes.
A woman with strength, a woman who is not easily discouraged. Puma silo type of a woman, not ukulwa ngamanqindi, but ukulwa. A Proverbs 31 woman, ityhala ngesifuba. Iyabona ukuthi lo mnyango akavuleki, uzotyhala ngesifuba ukuthi umnyango avuleke. Uyafohloza kuphela.
It is ever indoda enjani, Proverbs 31.
It is ever a man who fears the Lord. Mangabe uyindoda esaba uNkulunkulu, there are certain things that you wouldn't do because uyamoyika uThixo ukuthi when you do this to his image and likeness, you are doing wrong. Awenzi kakuhle. Umzekelo, I don't even think it needs an example. I think it's straightforward to say, xa usaba uNkulunkulu, there are certain things that you wouldn't do to a person. I'll make an example. Ukubetha umuntu wesifazana, knowing that umuntu wesifazana akanawo amandla lokubetha back. I know that sometimes women temper with men. Umuntu aqhwabe ngamamaxa kenxulileni, all of that. I know.
Angangilanga
yabo. So that one I understand, but I'm saying xa uzothi wena xa under the influence of alcohol okanye because you are saying you are a man and therefore you must prove your manhood ngokubetha umuntu owesifazana, awusenzanga kakuhle. You don't love that person.
You don't demonstrate the fear of the Lord.
You don't. Fear of the Lord comes with peace and tranquility.
Yeah. Do you want a Proverbs 31 womanhood?
Amfuna umfazi one strength, one charisma, one vision. That's a Proverbs 31 woman.
Ndamfuna.
Ufuna yana wena? Yambona apha kule Gumbu school.
Oh.
Ukhona nje.
Yeah, PK.
Sure, but
xa kuthethwa ngeProverbs 31 kamnandi uyakhonza ndibonile kwipicture yakho unxibe unekhadi pha unxibe uniform yenkonzo
Ngabaprofeti abo mos. Proverbs ntoni.
Imizekeliso Proverbs ngesixhosa. La ncwadi imizekelo. Ufuna umprofeti wena?
Benibuza. Ngabaprofeti na.
Okay. Xa usithi Proverbs 31 wena PK uva ndo?
a woman that we wish that we can have, but unfortunately, we're always okay. Mandithi mna, unfortunately, I always get lesser than I expect.
When uyindoda etheni wena?
Ndindoda righteous.
Chesa.
Yeah.
Ulungisa.
Ndilungisa.
Ulungisa wena?
Ndilungisa mna.
Awufuna ukulungiswa.
Ndiyafuna ukulungiswa. Njengoba ndilungisa.
Awukabile ulungisa lo xa usadinga ulungiswa.
I think we are diverting from the definition of ilungisa. Ilungisa ngumuntu that is trying to navigate their path and doing things.
Utry ngesixhosa uthetha ndo?
Umzamo.
Ungumzami ngalo? Ilungisa?
Uyazama, umzami vele.
Olungisa. Iyalungisa. Not bandilungile.
Exactly.
Wayilungisa ayingomuntu olungileyo.
Ngumuntu ozamayo. It's someone that is searching for righteousness. Ngumuntu okhangela tanci ukulunga.
But it
Khangela
seems like
tanci. Tanci ndo.
but ingathi la madoda sengawo yabo sengawo thina abu ubulungisa
Yes.
ingathi asifunwa yabo. I don't think siyafuna man ngathi I don't think because kuyachiwo mositwe hayi simfuno ozamayo yabona
Okay.
but asifuna indoda ezamayo.
Okay, that's tip wena. Before we move on. Hey, Bible Proverbs 31.
Akekho umuntu ongayifuniyo intombi ene vision. Intombi enombono.
As indoda wena ucinga ba xa ufika umntana ne vision wena ungafika uthini kuye? Fika ne vision. Buildele into zakhe.
Ufika usupport vision.
Exactly.
Kusupportwa ipile kanye iyabhidi into edibene nezwe. Kuthiwa xa uyindoda uyileader, umuntu ongumama xa ethetha nawe usupporta ivision yakho. Ngoku wena uthi xa ufika Proverbs 31 usupporta yakhe ivision.
Yeah, if umbono wakhe uthi xa uhlala phansi ujonga nawe ubona ba uya endaweni. Then nawe you might as well usupport umbono wakhe. And uzukhumbule kaloku umntana wethu. Uzukhumbule kaloku umntana wethu. Into ebalulekileyo kuthi kwixesha elininzi feelings zalomuntu uthandana naye. Thina siyathanda uzonasa kakhulu.
Uthi into ebaluleke kakhulu.
Into ebalulekileyo kwixesha elininzi feelings zalomuntu unaye. If uhlala naye lo muntu okanye unaye
Supenik.
noba sobawela into ba akhamba goduka ukwazi ukutsho because ucinga ba yes ucinga ba uzawukhathazeka acinga ba awumfuni. That means ke ngoku wanase feelings zakhe uzihoyile feelings zakhe. Na xa udibana naye ke ngoku ene vision enombono kuyanyanzeleka into ba ukhwele kule bus ayikhweleyo
uzeke mzekweni.
Why do ancestors sometimes allow a person to experience hardships and suffering? What lessons or spiritual growth can come through these difficult lessons?
I think I have answered that question already on our previous conversation to say, amadlozi, they are people that always seek for attention. When they feel that you are distant, Kubo, and you are not doing anything to acknowledge their presence, they will do something to hinder your progress. And hindering progress can come in a form of you being sick, or you losing somebody that you love, or you not being successful as far as relationships are concerned, or not seeing ukuthi imali yakho iyaphi. So that is their way of calling forth your attention. Amadlozi afana nabantwana. Xa bebona ukuthi abahoywanga, they will provoke you because they want you to act on it. So I think I answered that. Bengithi ngiyiphinde nje ukuthi singashiyi iquestion ilenga, but we did touch on that ukuthi amadlozi, that is their way of seeking for attention. And the lesson behind that would be go and approach a healer and see where is the stagnance coming from. Izinto ezisingahambi kakuhle zenzwa yintoni? Ingqumbo yabantu abadala, ikesi yabantu abadala, or is it the people around you that are causing you to be at the position okuyo empilweni? So such things, that's where a traditional healer comes into the picture.
Yakwazi usweleka umfundisi uGqawula Idlozi.
Yakwazi ukuthini?
Usweleka beningumfundisi ngoba eniphila emhlabeni. Disweleke xa ningumuntu oswelekileyo ndiqinisile ngicela inkomo.
It's very possible because ulapha emhlabeni, these things, these patterns of rituals and ceremonies or heritage and culture, you don't approve of them. But xa ufika kwilizwe labokhokho uzofika khona ibhoza zomgidi abantu ekudala bekhona, and they will teach you how things operate in the spiritual world. And then wena uzawukhala ke ngoku because ubungazenzi izinto now, you're going to be a burden to your children because awubashiyanga with a clear direction on what to do into ezinamadlozi phakathi. Ngoku wena sowufuna ukuthi hayi ndinqunu cela uba nindandlalise nindixhelele inkomo. Chances are xa lizovela idlozi lisithi lifuna inkomo, usube ungumuntu omdala osweleke mhlambi sele umdala sele usiya towards ukoluphala and umuntu olupheleyo ungcwatywa ngenkomo kangcwatywa ngebhokhwe kanye ngetyipha. So kusube kukhona something that was not done in the right way or kunguwe umuntu oye wa decide ukuthi izinto ezihlangene nabantu abadala I don't want to partake of them and then you become a problem xa ufika kulize la ngaphesheya. Then abantwana bakho ngoku kufuneke bahambe bayokulanda umoya wakho not wena ngeke bakulande wena bayolanda umoya wakho bafaka phakathi kwendlu then ube ngumuntu that is being constantly acknowledged kodwa bongu praise the Lord uselapha emhlabeni. It's very possible it happens.
I feel like asking these questions is answerishile phaya.
We did.
Yeah, because xa nela old ways besibuthetile ngapha. Ndifuna unixelele according to your understanding. Ngoku silapha so by 1 2 3 4 indoni inhloko.
Inhloko. Inhloko
Kuthiwa umuntu inhloko ekhaya. Kusube kuthethwa ngalo.
Xa kusithiwa umuntu inhloko yekhaya, it goes back to our definition. Ngithanda ukuthi these questions they are repeating each other. It goes back to what I said about the definition of a man biblically. Siyeke ya biblically. Sikhule kusithiwa umuntu ongitata inhloko yekhaya. Inhloko ngumkhombandlela. Inhloko ngumuntu that has been entrusted with the responsibility to grow ikhaya, ukulikhulisa ikhaya ngendlela zonke. Kodwa inhloko angeke ihambe yodwa ingenandlela, ingenamazinyo, ingenazandla. It needs helpers on the way to ensure that le direction anisa towards yona. There is assistance. There are ideas that are thrown. There are different strategies that are thrown. Hayi tata kabanibani masingenzi kanje masenze ngohlobo. Hayi tata kabanibani in order for us to see fast results this is the approach that we must use. So inhloko ngumuntu that has been given heavenly mandate or ancestral mandate or spiritual mandate by abantu abangaphesheya ukuthi makathathe umbono ambhekise phambili. But that person can never do it alone. There needs to be suitable helpers that are going to be appointed directly to give the person direction and destiny helpers. Abantu abazokunceda ukuthi ube inhloko right. It's not only the people that are related to you, even abantu that are outside. Nhlala ngithi mina, it takes a community to build a child. When I speak of a community, ngithi ngomakazi nomalume, nodabawo, nomakhelwane, umama ongasemva, ohlala eShekini. That person can instill principles and values in you for you to become a better person. So inhloko ngumuntu that has been entrusted with the responsibility. Inhloko most of the time when we speak of gender kuba ngumuntu ongitata. But in a setup whereby umama uzikhulisela abantwana ngokwakhe, inhloko nguye.
Yakwazi ba inhloko uphangela noba uphangela.
Yeah, you can. Indaba yoba inhloko has got nothing to do with finances or whatever the case is. But we're also not suggesting that xa uyinhloko kuba uyinhloko wena uzavuka uchuba amazipho yonke imihla uhlale phansi uzihawuzela amathanga. Asithethi kanjalo.
Yazibuza thini? Yazibuza thini? Ukhazela
Yeah.
Abaphulaphuli bavelile pha besithi inhloko yi-leader, yi-provider, yi-supporter, yi-protector mntasekhaya.
Siyavuma
umkhulu wake
njalo.
akadibani noba uthi ayinanto na finances inhloko.
Hayi mna ubuza kum busiza kum ngale way yakho.
Kalo.
Nina nithini brasi? Siqala pha kuni.
OPK awuzange bena chance yothetha ngenhloko.
But uyayazi mina ngasho kwanhlekisi mina ela xesha sasipikisana lapha.
Wathi
Wava ndiba ndithini?
wathi
Dathi ayinanto akunyanzelekanga ibe kanti financial stable yabo uzibeka nenhloko ungayinhloko ungenayo imali but ke ayithe ezibisithume sister ayithe ba uzohlala ukukhawuzelela impundu yabo. Yeah.
uzawuthini? Like ndifuna uyazi ba if
Iba nomkhombandlela.
ndithe kuni kwasekuqala kudala ndithetha lento. Ndithe if beningazami elhlobo nizama ngalo because ingxaki yenu nina yinto ba lento niyithatha nizise personal uqonda ba okay andispani anamali andiyonhloko yabo but nina niyazama uyavuka uhambe uye ubusuke emthatha ngoku yabo usuke komani ubusuke emthatha ubuyozama wabuya nento ekwenza ke ngoku londo leyo ube nazo wings zo bra basi not face reality ewe ibhlungu ireality nansi niyabaza abantu basemakwenu nani bakhona abantu abangasabizwa nakwi-meeting because akasebenzi kuzawubakho umsebenzi uva sekusithiwa kuthe but ba ebesebenza egrand ebezawubizwa invitwe kuxelwe hey fonini sinalo mcimbi ngemini ethile kahle awubonakali eluntwini xa ungenanto then eyona nto eye ubonakala ebantwini kuxa unento yeah
Qobile.
Utsho nawe BK.
Indoda ngezinto. Inhloko ngezinto. Xa ungenando, that's bhutye yonke. Xa ungenando,
Awuyondoda.
awubonelwa ntweni.
BK. Uthi indoda ngezinto. Xa ungenazinto uyintoni?
Uyindoda but ubudoda bakho buzawujongelwa phansi okanye ubuthi inhloko uzoba inhloko engathathelwa ntweni. Siphila kwi-society apho abantu abancinci izizwe inhloko zamakhaya because beafforda. Ukhona abantu abadala uthi icebo masike silindele ntwana bayizasixelela umkhombandlela.
Uyabona lento beyithetha uThabo athi ekhayeni if awunamali xa kukhona thina ngokwesixhosa siyibuza amabhunga azobhungwa uhlale phansi kuxhela umqombothi kuchazwe into abakuzokwenzeka uA no B no C part kwekhaya ikhaya lizohamba liyofukama liyokwenzani whatsoever. If ever wena unamali vele you want to be the last person to be told
Uzoba ngogqibela.
but if ever
In problem ikuwe okanye ikufamily.
ikufamily
Family.
bekhona a small boy umuntu oqeda uba i-chartered accountant manje
Yeah.
abe ngoqala ukwaziswa kodwa eboluswe kwanini nabangenamali uzaza azibuya uyindoda ngesimanga senu bekahloko bekagadwa nini uyindoda ngenxa yenu kodwa namhlanje because uyi-chartered accountant and uzopopa imali sometimes ukwenza ukuthi amasiko abe successful it's not only money that is needed. Ikhona into ethanda ukuthathelwa phansi kakhulu abantu inhlabi ziya-undermine kakhulu andanoma niyayazi inhlabi into esho ukuthi ekhaya usiko zisiwunikezwe umkhonto uba makahlabe
Inhlabi lo utanoma yesho.
undermine kakhulu ibe ngathi i-role encinci it's a very big role eyazi ukuthi umsebenzi wakho in the family xa uyinhlabi ungaphezulu kowegqirha ngoba should wena ohlabayo ungabi namandla ukuthi lencamazana ikhala umsebenzi akakhangahambi kakuhle yangathi mu inkomo okanye ngathi me imbuzi it's a problem so umsebenzi
Uzawuthwani ke ngoku?
iqalwa phansi kalo
yenye ke ngokuleyo yenye incoko leyo
Inhlabi.
yenhlabi ayidibani
Nenhloko.
Enhloko.
Inhloko ayo.
iyadibana kaloku because uthi wena ukuze ube inhloko sometimes emakhayeni we are undermined so indaba
Ima,
yenhlabi comes as an
ngikuxelele.
example
inhlabi noba inezithende ezimdaka okanye ixwebile okanye itheni inhlabi and izawuhoywa futhi ngalaveki
ngayonhloko emzini wayo
I understand I think singadebate kutshona ilanga because mina ngizongena ku spiritual space
mamelani sanothetha ngento ezingadibaniyo inhlabi ungayinhlabi wena ngenxa ba utata yakho mhlambe beyinkulu kowabo noba bakhona otata omncinci bakho nobani kodwa inhlabi iba ngutata yakho inhlabi aswele kutata xa kuswele kutata yakho kungena wena
uThabo I understand the context of ukuthi indaba yenhlabi ifike xa kuthethwa ngantoni so that's why I'm saying kuzotshona ilanga si debate because for me to make an example of inhlabi besikhuluma ngeposition that people hold in the family I even made an example about a chartered accountant ngathi unga acknowledgewa yona ayekwe lo ojongelwa phansi so the context is missing the context akayiva ukuthi kuze ngenza umzekelo wenhlabi ibiqale phi na
Jonde kuva my sister ne Nyansile. Kodwa naye ndiyamva ke lihlobo ayithetha ngalo nayo Nyansile. Yabo uthi yena i-concept yobunhlabi uyakwazi uba inhlabi regardless of anything but awukwazi uba inhloko is contingent upon your financial status inhloko according to yena
yes
no ndiyamva ba uthini na
asensizwe wena uthini kulondo yoba i-contingent according to your financial
ndivumile
status.
from the beginning ndatsho into yokuba the reason why I made an example of a chartered accountant is because ngiyavuma ukuthi vele ndisengathi i-small boy le ezothi yoluswe ngabatata kodwa kube nguyo ngokuyihamba phambili ngesimanga sokuthi unemali
Ingayinhloko i-small boy?
awuyazi wena kwezi family siphila kuzo okanye kwezi nsuku siphila kuzo money is the key to everything. If you have money ugqibile
uba inhloko phi na
Awuthi ube inhloko nini wena
uyaba inhloko kwakho
inhloko kayinza
yabo
Kwakho.
uyaba inhloko kwakho
yeah
and nalapho kwakho uba uprovide awuyonhloko andiyazi uyintoni
umsili
ngumsili kahle kahle yabo so inhloko akekho umuntu onomamela umuntu ongazinanto ake asimamela umuntu ongazinanto uthi xa uthetha ngathi uyasuza kahle kahle sikujonge nje ba hey uthina lo akavakali
umkhulu that's why wayelila ngozayinika igrocery because yena uzibona ngenachweba uzibona ewe
yey
okay ixesha liyaphela and ke ngokusitya ixesha my sister ufuna uthini aba bantu batsha baza kudibana nawo because ixesha leyothixo wami yose ku5:12 ngothi ku5:15 sihamba shekule 3 minutes ufuna uthini kule 3 minutes ebahlalini
yo ndifuna ukuthi ebahlalini kubalekile ukuthi xa ungumuntu uzazi ba ungubani for you to be able to know where you're going. When you do not know who you are, it's impossible for you to navigate the direction that your life is taking. Uhamba uphephezelwa imimoya yonke lapha endleleni. Xa udibana nabantu who are going to try and discourage you or that are going to speak words that are ill, that are going to make you to doubt your vision or where you are headed in life, it becomes a problem because you are the one that does not believe in yourself. Umuntu kuthiwa inkosi ukuzazi. It's you that has the potential to know if you are going to make it or not. And when you're determined enough ukuthi you want to make a difference, especially with people like us who come from disadvantaged backgrounds, we always aim to say we want to give our children a better life than ours. We always aim to say abantwana bethu okanye izukulwana zethu they need to read beautiful stories about us. I always say I am trying to build an empire for abantwana abezayo so that when they read about me they say kodwa ubani bani umakhulu ubani bani ebesenza kanje nakanje nakanje. So when I say today apha empilweni mangabe ungavuka uzenzele, there's no opportunity that comes to you on a silver plate is presented kuwe. You are the one that must go out and look for opportunities so that ukwazi ukuthi impilo yakho iqhubekele phambili. I'll repeat my words again to say, ma ungumuntu, you need to know where you are culturally. Zazi ba ungubani. Umnombo wako is very important because ma ungamazi umnombo wako, you will not be able to carry the inheritance that comes from a family. Mandenza umzekelo ndithi you come from a family of abantu babephiwe ngokwemfuyo. If they do not know this, your spiritual lineage or your family lineage, they can never inherit ngebancane kwelobele elo elizalisa okanye elizisa intsikelelo when it comes to indaba ze farming. So it's very important as well as a person ukuthi ubajonga abantu that you associate yourself with. We live in a world whereby we associate with fools. If you associate with fools, you're a fool yourself. It's very important to be mindful of the crowd that you go with because some of the plans that God has for us, they are aborted because of the people that we associate ourselves with. You cannot be around people who don't dream yet you are a dreamer. Ingqondo yakho izorusa. You cannot be around people who don't have a vision. Ube wena une vision. Izoba ngathi uzenza bhetele. Every time when you say this is what I want to do, this is what I want to achieve, I lo caba ukuthi liqobhoka. That's what they're going to call you. They're going to label you like that. I'll say this to young healers like myself. Gone are the days whereby people will dream of you. Okanye abantu bazokhonjisa i-direction uhambe ngenyawo uyofika. Ayisekho lonto leyo. Unongqawuse. But what you can do for yourself is make advantage of social media. Make advantage of izinto ezizakukhuphukisa as a person. But don't take advantage of them because we also have a serious tendency of taking advantage of these social media platforms. Sikhuluma manga because we want people to come to us. Traditional healing is not a business, it's a calling. And if we can respect it as a calling, we would go very far. All of these things that are happening within scamming and whatsoever zingaphela. Xa sinoyazi ukuthi lento is not a business. when a person comes to you ngena inethura nefuna uncedo kuwe, be able to help that person, because I know ukuthi umuthi usebenzisa imali wenzeni, but it's very important to know that before you are someone who's in business, or before you start to think of scamming people, ibayinyanga qala igqirha umuntu ofuna ulapha abantu ngokweqiniso. And ubugqirha bakho is dependent on imiqondiso yabantu. Ungazibabaza wena uthi yo mina ndenza le. People must testify about you and say ubani wenze kanje nakanje empilweni yami.
516 Noma hloba kwegqirha nenqwele.
Iqhwele ngumuntu ongathwasanga one knowledge yemithi.
Okay.
Igqirha ngumuntu that has gone through the journey of initiation, onyangayo, ohlolayo, iqhwela lihlolile lapha le nto uthi uzengayo.
Yo. Wakhona umuntu ozayo kuwo indoda othi ufuna ukufakela uvam na umuntu wakhe.
Kakhulu yo. Namantoma
Iqhomekeke ichapha ke ebantwini abangamantombazana.
Amantombazana athanda gqithi mina ndibize aromat. Nezinto esizenzayo ukuthi vele umuntu xa ehlangana nawe athi nca kuwe.
Igalapha iaromat.
Phaka lo.
Namadoda yes.
Igalapha iaromat. Pa?
Kaloku i-aromat it comes in different forms. Ikhona esiyifaka kuwe kule ndawo le wenza ngayo umcimbi kagqirha. Bese kuba khona lesikunikeza yona ozoyifaka endaweni ethile ukuthi lo muntu akwazi uba abone wena kuphela. Ekhona iphephetho zethando ukuthi esuku umane ucabanga ngayo all the time, umuntu athi into ba ndifuna xa ihlangana nendithile angavika mnandi.
Yayenza lo.
I know how to do it, I know how to do it, but I don't.
Your business.
It's not a business. I just explained now that it's not a business.
Is it the right thing? Xa ndifika kuwe ngithi ngicela ukufakela umuntu wami something ukuba athande mina ndedwa. Is it the right thing okanye?
Depends on your intentions, and also when you come with those things kumzokuhlola kuqala. Ijonga where are you? Awukwazi ubopha umntana abantu kodwa wena busy yaphithisa lapha estradweni.
Yo.
It means umenza isibhaqa.
I know inoba into right.
Wena ungenaphi?
Uyakwazi umazi umuntu
othile kuthini uyamthanda.
Umuntu othile uyambona?
Yeah, of course.
Nothi uthithela wena sensitsho ba uBK unoyapha yana ungathi uthenga ngathi unomuntu ePE.
Yeah, ndingatsho vele. Yeah, ndingatsho.
Okay.
Uyambona
ufana ibusiness yakho le. Iqwetha lo muntu lo urapile kodwa ifuneka lithe iqwetha hayi lo muntu akarapanga.
Ingako ndithi mhlambi mina ndamosheka ngoba ndaqala insindisweni. There are certain things that I don't do. If ndandivenda ndaqala ebunyangeni ngqo beningazuba ne limit benzoyenza noba yintoni.
Nize kumna bochome nza.
Ngandibuyisela isithando sami.
Intoni?
Isithando sami?
Yeah, isithandwa ngiyakwazi ukusibuyisa. For as long as wena, if you are the one that is at fault, uye wa realize ukuthi awenza ngakahle and you are really willing ukuthi uchange.
Wenze ngantoni xa ubuyiswa ngoku?
Hayi ndimi.
Xa ubuyiswa wona basithi umuntu athi buyisa mina ndizaqala ndive ndoni xa isebenza yeza.
Wena obuyiswayo uzamkhumbula lo muntu lo kakhulu uzocinga ngaye.
Khazelela umqo
okanye uzive mnandi.
Okay. Hayi ezi question ngesiqale ngazo kanti siyazijisa ngo. Uzophinda buye kanye uzophinda.
Of course I'm going to come back.
Okay. Wazuphethe no? Wazuphethe no?
Phethe inhlolo ndinhlolo. But nizokhanyisa nizonhlola mahala.
Okay, akongxaki sisi.
Ayithanda.
Ikhona into oyibonayo ngopha kuthi. Khona into oyibonayo apha kuthi.
Suka uyabonakala wena ba.
Awungendawo.
Ulungile.
Okay.
Ulungile.
People
and people take advantage of ukulunga kwakho.
Yeah, okay.
Bakucindezele.
Oh, shomyalila. Uhudi yena unjani?
And unogcobo lokufundisa.
Hayi suka.
Nasi.
Tishara.
Tiqo sports nogcobo lokufundisa.
Akakhonza nokhonza nje.
Utishara.
It's not about ukuthi uyakhonza okanye akakhonzi, but that's what I see in the realm of the spirit.
Ubona ndoni kunatsika ngicanga wakhe.
See usindile ezintweni eziningi. He was trying to indulge in so many things. Wazikhupha.
Wa.
Awunyanisile.
Ubona ndoni ke kule umeni yakho. Umsiyana cha utheni yena?
Angeke nimhlole la publicly.
Not publicly but ufuna nje elihlobo wenze ngalo kwakho.
Into edibene nomama wakhe, I can't say it.
Oh.
ngizokutshela.
Okay, so
asikagqithile uyazi sicela
uhlolo ngokuthi nawe
Hayi masabeni.
okay, closing remarks nasipha kabethe zawenza kosimnandi.
Hey, hayi tshaya uthina qedlo mna la cangu wami man. Ulibethe yonke.
ngicela no manager man.
Okay.
Manager sandiswa
Yeah, yes.
sokonsi yeah. Sithethile ke na ubhuti. Ndithetha naye ngoku ke ubona ke tathipha ifoni umanager kayifoni.
Uthini manager?
Sucofa ifoni.
Uthi sicofa ifoni.
Suvela ufake izimvo zabaphulaphuli kodwa umuntu usathetha.
Ansoke ndizifake.
Ah,
Okay manager nduvini.
yeah.
Ndixola lo.
Xolo manager.
Hayi ke sawuthi wena ku YouTube ke ngoku uthe uzaphinda buye. Unama sacabela manje umsuke eJosephine buye.
Ewe. Intoni?
Ubani usuke eJosephine buye. Okay, yeah. This has been the Nightful Podcast Players Edition. If you show up every day, you never miss a lucky day. Out.